in a swimming pool and a pump house for under 300,000. Then you can add um, 2 toilets and a shower and a kitchen at the back to the pump house. So this one's just a liner pool. It's just a cheap liner pool, blocks and PVC, but easy to replace it, and quite alright. I mean, we've had it for 4 years, so it's done okay. Then in here we made a block, so this one's just got a shower here, wash and basin and 2 toilets. Then this room here, that's the pump house, but the pump house I use as a storeroom to put tools, so I've got shelves and keep all my fittings and tools inside here. And then down the back we open a kitchen, so it's quite a good idea. You've got the whole, everything in the one place. You've got a kitchen beside your swimming pool. But when you do it as a block, it's a lot cheaper. So one roof, just extend it slightly and build 2 more walls and add a door. So you've got a kitchen. So maybe, I don't know, 20,000 or something to do a kitchen. Toilets, about maybe, same again, 15,000 for the toilets. And the shower and the wash and basin. The actual block work is straightforward. It's just in 2 plastic doors, PVC doors out of the new home. So, and then the pump house is in here. But, and then you take the runoff for the water for cleaning the pump directly outside the land to the back. So we don't have any the water inside the land. We take it right out the back onto the old road. So for maybe, I would probably say 350,000 would give you the pool and the pump house, the toilets and the kitchen. Then this one was about maybe, I think, 25,000 when I built this one. Just a sort of small room you can sit at the pool and relax basically. Put a table and chairs in it for tea, coffee. But this one could, same again, you could use it for multiple uses. At the moment it's just for sitting here to relax, and close to the kitchen. The kitchen's here, so. Then this one was 15,000. It's for this one here to build this extension. But it adds a lot of character to your house, and also when you build it, it keeps the sun off people. If people want to sit there and have something to eat, it's not hot. So you can buy stuff, some garden furniture, some stuff like that. Then we done a lot of iron work, got steel tube and just made a lot of features to go to the pool and love hearts. So we added quite a lot. This is quite nice as well. Love heart. So, but you can buy the tools now. The fiberglass one's pretty cheap, and just put them in the ground. I would use double concrete block and steel bar, then infill the concrete block with steel. A lot cheaper. Maybe a good pool, 150,000, build it yourself, DIY. But at the time I built this pool, I was limited to funds. I'd spent too much money building the resort, so I had to cut back a wee bit. But in hindsight, I wish I'd just got concrete blocks and done it myself with ceramic tiles, and just bought a pump. That's basically it. So that's my swimming pool and the rough sort of cost and what it cost to do it. So, but well worth it. I mean, you've got families, then it's really nice. And if you want to maybe add a couple of rooms beside your pool, you can rent them out. We rent rooms out every day. So, but the pool's not well used. The amount of people that use the pool is very small compared to how many people actually visit the resort. So I'd say maybe 1 in 30 people use the pool. So, but it's maintenance as well. You've got to pay. The upkeep of the pool is quite expensive for the electric and for the chemicals, and you've got to pay for the cleaners. If children come and pee in the pool, then it goes a horrible colour. You've got to buy chemicals to clean it. 1,600 baht. So be warned if you've got young children peeing in the water. It's no good fun. I think maybe the salt is better than the chlorine pool. Okay, so that's basically building your own wee pool, and that's it. Bye for now.